Hey guys, it's Irene's Braids and I am back with another video. So today's video will be on this Burmese curly crochet feathered hair. Before we get started, I'm going to put in some Auntie Jackie's cream on my client's hair just to make sure her hair stays moisturized under this crochet install. I did pick up a small pack of Expressions braiding hair and I am pulling 3 tiny pieces to apply as I braid down her cornrow. The reason why I'm adding in the braiding hair is just to make sure that the front of the hairline is strong enough to withhold the crochet braid, as she is going to wear this for approximately a month. She wants to be able to style this and pull it up out of her face. So we're going to go in with a seamlessly natural crochet install towards the front of the hairline. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I will install that crochet hair. So when doing the braid down, I like to make sure I start off with my client's natural hair first, and then I apply in a small piece of the braiding hair after I've braided her natural hair about 6 times. So the further I am from the front of her edges, I then apply in a small piece of the braiding hair and I'll continue to braid. And then I'll apply in my second piece and continue to braid. And I'm going to do the method where I do the cornrows and then I'll add in each cornrow that I finish up into the next braid. So that way the back of her crochet braids, the back of her cornrow braids are flat. So that's what I'm doing with the ends of each piece of leftover cornrow. I'm going to apply that up into the braid that I'm currently working on. So that way the entire back will lay seamless and flat. That's the goal here. So we use, I don't know if I mentioned this, we use a total of 4 full bundles and then we dipped a little bit into the 5th bundle. She purchased 6 in total, but we didn't even make it close to using all 6. The hair is full enough. The Burmese curly hair is really, really full and thick curls, so you really don't need to use all that hair. So if I had to say how many you should buy, on this particular client, because her head is a lot fuller, I would say if you have a head that was full, go with 5 to be safe. I don't think anyone would need to use 6. I'm going to be honest. I think 6 is just too much. And like I said, it's all by head size. You don't want to get like 3 of them because it's not going to be enough if you have a fuller head. So I will go between 4 max, 5 to be safe. And then all of my ladies with smaller heads, I've done this same crochet another client, and we actually did no leave out. With leave out. And I did post that on a tutorial of that on my timeline. So definitely check that out. And she purchased 4, but we only used 3. So just kind of keep that in mind. So here is where I'm showing you guys how I like to tack down the leftover tail. And I'm also going to show you guys how to undo it. So that way, if you decide to go with this method, you'll know how to undo it as well. I like doing it like this because it just lays nice and flat. My clients never have an issue taking this out because I do show them as I'm showing you guys. And then if a client wants to come in and have me take it down, they're more than welcome to have me take the install down as well. So here's how to remove it if you decide that you want to try this method out. So to create the illusion crochet method, you have to take the crochet needle and you want to apply it up under the cornrow, slide that crochet through, but bring it a little bit more closer towards the cornrow so that way that front piece lays flat. And then you're going to thread in that second half of the crochet and secure it through the cornrow. That way it doesn't move and the hair can stay in place. But then also you want to take that piece that you're working on and try to crochet back towards the front of the face so that way it lays as flat as possible. So I like this illusion crochet method. I think it's really, really popular. It's a very great technique, and I'm glad that we were able to try this look and we love it. So definitely, if you like this, you can apply this to your next crochet install. So in order to continue this illusion crochet look, we are going to try the method where you are taking the crochet hair from up under the second braid of crochets and you're crocheting up and under and over the parting of your middle part. So in order to not have that braid, the cornrow show, we are just taking crochet pieces from up underneath the second row and we're drawing it under that cornrow and then line it over the cornrow to give like an illusion, no knots type of crochet install look. And I actually love it. So she was very, very adamant about having a middle part. She just wanted to go with that middle part look for fall. And I think that that was a great choice as well. But then still be able to pull it out of her face and not have any of the threading or the knots showing. So this actually turned out pretty well. And as you can see with this Burmese curl texture, the curls are more of like that barrel curl. And it's really, really pretty. So we decided to go with no product on the curl because she wanted to keep that raw texture, that raw look. So as she continues to wear this style and it grows out, she said that if she wants, she'll then add product or put water. But for now, she really does not want to tamper with the curls, and she just loved the rawness of the curl pattern. So we decided to leave it as is, and we did do a little bit of trimming just to kind of trim pieces that were uneven. And we did use a shorter curl towards the top and the front of her edges once we got to the top to make it have like a layered look. So the inches that she has in is 18-inch around the perimeter and then 16-inch from, her eyelids up. So that way she can have like a layered look. So yeah, that's exactly what we did here, you guys. And doing this illusion crochet look was definitely chef's kiss. I'm so glad we were able to create this look and bring it to vision, bring it to life. It turned out so nicely. I'm actually obsessed with it, and I love the curl patterns. It's just nice and juicy curls. It's full. The curl pattern is raw. It's in its a raw texture without being tampered with, and we love it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll definitely see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys.